Hello everyone, welcome back to our digital VLSI channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So far we have discussed multiplexers which allow us to route multiple inputs to a single output. Today I am going to discuss about demultiplexer, what demux is, its Verilog code and some practical applications. Let's get started. A demultiplexer is a combinational circuit that works exactly opposite to a multiplexer which we can simply called as demux. A demux has a single input line that connects to any one of the output lines based on its selection input. So usually for n selection lines, there are 2 power n output lines. So here I am considering 1 cross 2 demultiplexer. So number of selection lines is equal to 1. So 2 power 1, that is equal to 2 output lines. N is selection line. Now let's see where demux is used in real life. Well, they are essential in many digital systems such as data routing in networks, signal processing in audio and video systems, control systems in robotics and automation, etc. For example, let's say we have a digital audio system that needs to route audio signal to different speakers based on some pre-logic condition. So there we can use a demultiplexer to take the input audio signal and route it to the appropriate speaker output. And this is the block diagram of 1 cross 2 demultiplexers. Here we have one single input and one selection input and two outputs, that is y0, y1. Now let's draw the truth table. Here selection input is S, output lines y0, y1. If S is equal to 0, I is connected to output y0. So y0 is having I and y1 is having 0. If selection input is 1, I is connected to output y. So y0 is having 0 and y1 is having I. And this is the truth table of 1 cross 2 demultiplexer. Now let's find out the logical expression of y0 and y1. y0 is equal to, where y0 is high here, so here in this case, so we can write as s bar into y I for y1, where y1 is high here, so s into I. Now let's draw the hardware circuit. S, S naught, this is S naught, and then another input I. Here we require two AND gates. The output of first AND gate is y0, and the output of second AND gate is y1. So S bar into I is connected to first AND gate, S into I is connected to second AND gate, and this is the simple hardware circuit. Yeah, that's it about 1 cross 2 demultiplexer. I hope you guys learned something new and useful. Now I'm going to show you how to write Verilog code for 1 cross 2 demultiplexer. First, let's start with module followed by some name. So input S, another input I, output as per our hardware circuit Y0, Y1 are the outputs. Here I am using assign statement Y0, Y1, and also using ternary operator. If S is true, one tick B0, I going to execute. Otherwise, I, one tick B0 is the final output. And then end module. Yeah, to this our design code is done. Now let's write the test bench module TB. Here inputs as registers, outputs as wires. So reg I selection input and another input I wire outputs Y0, Y1. Now we need to instantiate our design module to the test module demux underscore 1 cross 2 dut s, I, y1, y2. Within this initial block, we need to supply inputs begin. Here I am using dollar monitor. By using dollar monitor, we can print the values of variables, and also we can easily track the changes in our variables and signals. So dollar monitor. So S is equal to percentage B, I is equal to percentage B, Y0 is equal to percentage B, Y1 is equal to percentage B, S, I, Y0, Y1. Now we need to supply all the inputs. So S is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. This is one case. Here I am giving #1 time delay, and again S is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, #1 time delay. So now S is equal to 1, I is equal to 0, same input, S is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, end module. Now let's simulate the code and see the result. Yeah, this is the final output we got. When S is equal to 0, Y0 is selected. So what is the value of I? I is equal to 0, that is transferred to the Y0. Similarly for S is equal to 1, so Y1 should select. So what is the I value here? I value is 0. This 0 is connected to Y1. Yeah, that's it about 1 cross 2 demultiplexer and its Verilog code. I hope you guys found this helpful in understanding how demuxes works. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.